Hun Buns hot cocoa, made with store-bought ingredients. It's quick, simple, and easy to prepare. Let's do it, Hun Buns. Yes, it is that good. All right, I'm going to add some hot water, which is a staple for any hot beverage. Okay? Yeah, it's real simple to make. Okay, next up, some cocoa powder. Any brand name, whatever you have in your pantry, feel free to add it, okay? Good stuff, right? Oh yeah. Okay, next up, cinnamon. It's optional, but I like it because I am not putting any sweetness in this tonight because I don't want it sweet, okay? Right. Next is any milk base you wish. Okay, I'm using cow milk because I have that in my refrigerator and I don't want to go and home make anything. All right, so that's gonna do for me tonight. Total good stuff. Yes, Hun Buns, that's it. Enjoy. I wish you a wonderful night. God bless you, and I will see you soon.